Welcome to Mixing with the Geek. I recently teamed up with Vinyl Me Please to start demonstrating their featured cocktails. To go along with their album pick from March 2015, Donuts by J Dilla, I'll be making a Hennessy Black Royale. This is a really easy drink to make, only requiring 4 ingredients, the first of which is the drink's namesake, Hennessy Black. The other main component to this drink is a DEMI-SEC champagne. Now, most champagne you've had is either a brut or an extra brut, and what that means is that it's on the drier side or not as sweet. DEMI-SEC, by contrast, is much more sweet. In fact, it's one step away from the sweetest variety. Okay, with all that out of the way, let's make this drink. So we're gonna grab a tall decorative glass and fill it with ice. Then add an ounce of Hennessy Black, followed by about 4 ounces of DEMI-SEC champagne. Now we top with a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup and garnish with some lemon zest. That looks beautiful, so let's see how this puppy tastes. Cheers. Wow, I gotta say that is very refreshing. I am surprised by this drink. What's great about this drink is if you wanna make it a little bit sweeter, add a little bit more simple syrup in there, boom, perfect dessert drink. But as it is, it's great. And it's so interesting to use ice with champagne. I would never think to do that, but it works. What can I say? Hope you enjoy making yours. Well, I wanna thank you again for watching. As always, be sure to enjoy responsibly. I'm your Vinyl Geek, and I'll catch you on the flip side.